Okay, so now we know where our house is located. We finished that slide and we move on down the list. I'm now ready to go to city data. I'm looking up information about my city and town. It says that I need a minimum of one slide with the following information about the town or city that I will live in. I'm going to use the website citydata.com, and if you click on the link here on the instruction sheet and then click there, it'll open up. And the search box right here, top center, you type the name of the city and state where your house is located and click go. And so here's, there's ads, ignore the ads. Here is, I'm trying to figure out what this one is. Anyway, here's information about Elkhart, Texas. This website has tons and tons of information about whatever town, and you can look up any town in the United States. So the instructions tell me that I need the population, the median home value, 2 pictures, and why I want to live there. So basically, I just, using city data, scroll down. The population is right here. The population in 2019 was 1,299 people. And if I move on down, we're looking for the median home value. That's this one, the median house or condo value. In Elkhart, Texas, it was $102,001 as of 2019. But check it out. Just 19 years previous to that, in the year 2000, houses were valued at $38,000. So that tells you that home values have tripled in the last 19 years. So that's significant. That's kind of important to know, especially when you're choosing where you want to live. So I will need that number, and I'll put it into my slide. Now I've already gotten the slide made. Other than throwing in the pictures, notice that I put all about Elkhart, Texas, because it said I did have to have the name of the town in my on my slide. I have the population, the median home value, and why do I want to live there. The only other thing that I need is 2 pictures, and I'm going to get that from City Data at the very top. There are pictures, and this is the case for every town. So I'll take this one, and I'm just going to copy the image and then paste it into my presentation. And I need one more, so I'll go back to City Data. I'll just scroll through. Okay, I'll take that one, and I'll just copy and paste it into my presentation. Try and put it here. No, not there. I wonder if I can fit it right here. Maybe if I make it a little bit smaller. I don't know. Okay, so I have my 2 pictures. All I need to do now is animate it. And I have shown you how to do that on a previous slide, previous video. So all you need to do is go back and look at that. If you can't remember how to do animations, just make sure it's not on the click and that you have some kind of animation set for every single thing on the slide. So that's it. That's how you do city data. We'll be moving on to the next slide. Cars. Think, what kind of car can I get?